Welcome to the Study Kitchen. Today, I will be sharing with you my homemade recipe to study success. All you need is the technology right at your fingertips, so let's get started. The first step is to set the table, your timetable. Use the device to list any due dates as soon as you hear about them. By scheduling a study routine, you won't bite off more than you can chew. Now hit that do not disturb or download yourself a cute study timer and let's get focused. On to step 2. It is essential we study only the most delicious information. Create a document that outlines everything you need to know for that upcoming test. Now put on your apron and grab your pencil because it's time to mix all our notes together. Many writing programs have voice detection features that allow you to read your notes aloud and copy them down simultaneously. Now we have all the ingredients, but first we need to let it rise. Now this is how you get that perfect taste every time. Personalize your notes with diagrams, pictures, and re-explain things in your own words. We tend to remember things best when we have a picture or a story attached to them. Alright, time to pop it in the oven and add some heat. Don't fry your brain with meaningless repetition. Instead, use an app like Quizlet or Anki to turn your notes into interactive flashcards and games. Challenge yourself and have more fun. Oh, looks like it's ready. Now, the hard work is done. Time to cool down. Give yourself a break, watch some Netflix, and get that good night's sleep. We're all done. Get ready to serve greatness at that next test.